Sweetie, can I carry you? Yes, the best mommy, okay? Thank you very much, ma'am. Okay, now kids, remember, do not move the hula hoops. Smash is gonna go all the way through and all the way back. Is she ready? All right, let's go. That's one.